I would say that the normal doctor is just basically trying to punch the time clock and get you in and out as fast as possible. Here, basically you come in and I spend the whole day here. I'm Devin. I currently live in Brooklyn, and I was diagnosed with testicular cancer. So I'm kind of a strange case. So the way that I found out I had testicular cancer was basically one of my testicles swelled up. Apparently the tumor that I happened to have hit a blood vessel, so it expanded. It then really hurt, so I ended up going to the hospital. I had surgery within 2 days, so I didn't even know I had cancer at the time. After the fact, when they did whatever testing, they said, hey, you ended up having cancer. So they ended up monitoring some blood levels and said, hey, everything now should be gone. So that was like probably a 2 or 3 month process of them kind of re-upping, testing things, doing CT scans, and making sure they didn't see any other tumors in my body. Causenta was kind of brought to me through John Wellborn. He's the founder of Power Athlete and an ex-NFL player, and Dr. Tom was his doctor. So I went to a symposium and Dr. Tom was a speaker. So we got talking. I was like, oh yeah, I used to have testicular cancer. They told me everything is fine now, like pretty much zero, shouldn't be any chance for it to come back. And he's like, well, the testing that they do can't actually tell you that. So they might say there's a high percentage, but it's not possible that they can say it's zero. So he kind of convinced me, it's like, hey, you can come with us. We can do additional testing. We can try to kind of catch you early to make sure that there's no chance of something else happening. Because if you have cancer of one sort, there's a high opportunity for you to get some other type. So I ended up coming about 3 months after that first meeting with Tom, came to the facility, ran through a bunch of tests, used his technologies, and kind of like got a good rapport with him. He's a doctor that basically gives you his cell phone number. He texts you randomly, say, hey, I have something new here. You guys should come back. And it's basically become like a yearly thing with my wife and I coming down. It's really like a family here. So coming here, you don't feel just like you're left in a room by yourself waiting for a 15-minute consultation. You're here. I come for a week at a time, and they really take care of you.